Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Welcome back to the channel. Great to see everyone back. Want to thank all the subscribers, all of you are showing the channel so much support. Immensely appreciate that. For today's video, I want to jump into week 40 of 2021, all of the options contracts that will be expiring this week. Another very good week, a successful week of options trading. $4,020 of premium have been credited to the account, and currently I do not think any of these contracts will be assigned. They will all simply disappear. I will keep that $4,020 next week, repeat that process. Up on screen here you can see the portfolio, kind of an up and down pattern here, starting the day around 763,000, dipping down below 761, getting up to almost 772,000, 771, 714, dipping back down. So kind of an up and down pattern today. We'll kind of see how that ends today. You can see that this is currently still active hours trading. There is a white background to the portfolio. When it gets to after hours trading, that will change to a black background. But let's go down to all of the options contracts for this week. Again, total premium, $4,020. These are all sell contracts, either sell puts or sell calls. So I've already received that premium, and I'm hoping none of these contracts execute. First one up on screen here is a Boeing contract, 250. I have Boeing in the portfolio. If Boeing were to get above 250, I would have to sell at 250. In the bottom left-hand corner, you can see currently Boeing is trading at 226.63. The premium, not substantial on a few of these call contracts, just because I do not want these to be assigned. You can see $60 was credited to the account, 250 call sell, 10.8. So not a lot of premium for Boeing, but again, I don't want this to be assigned, so it's a very conservative trade. Likewise with CGC, Canopy Growth, 2050 call. If Canopy gets above 2050, I'll have to sell for 2050. And again, in the bottom left-hand corner, you can see it's 1320. Another very conservative trade. You can see I just received $20 to the portfolio in premium. Next stock here is a Coinbase put contract. This one's a little bit different. If Coinbase were to get below 220, I would have to buy for 220. You can see currently, again, in the bottom left-hand corner, trading for 248.34. So this likely will not be assigned. On the bottom here, a little bit better premium, 220 put sell, 10.8, $225 was credited to the account. Moving on, the next contract here is a CRISPR CRSP 114 call. Also have this in the contract. Unfortunately, CRISPR has been downtrending here. You can see 98.14 in the bottom left-hand corner. So again, this will not be assigned. And on the bottom there, just a partial contract. You can see I put in for 5 quantity, but only 1 was filled. Just $15 for the CRISPR call sell. Again, trying to be very conservative with CRISPR. Do not want that to be sold off in the portfolio. Next contract here is a Hood contract, $45 call. Hood gets above 45, I have to sell for 45. Currently 41.76. Scrolling down here, you can see a little bit better premium to the account. 30 contracts, 19 cents per share. Each contract is 100 shares, so $19 per contract. $570 credited to the account. The next one here up on screen, Tesla 750 put. If Tesla gets below 750, I'll have to buy Tesla at 750, but you can currently see it's 785.03. For this contract, $815 was credited to the account. The next one here is another Tesla put contract, 765. On the bottom, you can see I did 2 different contracts. 765 put sell 10.8 on the 5th for 900, and later in the day 765 put sell 10.8 for $815. So 2 very good premiums with Tesla here at 765. Another Tesla put at 725. Scrolling down here, you can see a little bit less premium, but still a nice payment. $590 for this particular put contract. So this week definitely very heavy on the put sells. And I do have one for next week. This is a Ford $18 call. If Ford gets above $18, I'll have to sell for $18. Currently $15.12, $15.11 on the bottom. And again, a very conservative trade. This one, it was also partially executed. You can see I put a quantity of 157 in, 80 were filled for just $1 per contract, $80. Again, being very conservative with all of my call sells for this week on the portfolio. So again, I'll kind of scroll through all of these contracts. These are all of the contracts that will be expiring today. The contracts totaled $4,020, 40th week of 2021. So another very successful week of 4,000 plus options premium on the account. when the trading session does end today, I'll do another updated video kind of going through all of these and what happened to all of these contracts. And now we switch over to after hours trading here. You can always tell if there is active hours trading. If there is a white background, you can see it is now black. So trading has ended for today. Up on top there, you can see the portfolio did end the day in the red, in the negative, down about $1,450 or so, negative $1,453. However, if we take a look at a longer term perspective here over the past 1 week of trading, we are still in the green, up about $10,000, $98.59 currently. If you guys remember earlier in the week, I did an all portfolio review right around here, $740,000 or so. So overall, very good week of trading, definitely down a bit today. Let's go to history and we can take a look at all of those contracts that expired today. None of these contracts should get assigned. You can see here up on top, we have that CRISPR 114 call, Boeing 250, the Tesla contracts, Coinbase, Robinhood, Canopy Growth, and another Tesla on the bottom there, all showing 0, meaning essentially none of these got assigned today, but it is not confirmed until Monday. Those will all change over. Those will be removed from the recent history. But let's go ahead and just take a look at all the stocks here. Again, up on the right-hand corner, I have a review of all of the contracts for this week. Let's go ahead and go down, scroll down to these stocks to show you guys exactly how they do show in the portfolio for full transparency here to start things off. And if I go all the way to the bottom of the portfolio view here, I do have a separate list of all of the stocks I'm currently doing options trades with. So let's go ahead and click on Tesla. You can see here ending the day at 784. So I had put contracts for 765, 750, and 725. So none of those should get assigned. The next one is Coinbase. Let's scroll over to Coinbase again to show you guys exactly how this ended the day. Coinbase ending the day 247.74. Again, I had a put contract in for 220. So that's well above that contract. This will not be assigned as well. Moving down the list here, CGC Canopy Growth. We'll scroll back over to that. 1332. So the call contract was 2050. So if it got above 2050, I'd have to sell. This is well below that, unfortunately. And again, I detailed this in the all portfolio review. This has been by far the worst performing stock in the portfolio. You can see that total return down negative 35,000. There is quite a bit of options premium that does offset some of that, but it is still in the red by quite a large margin. So that is, again, the worst performing stock over the past 1 year of trading. Now let's go over to Robinhood. Ending the day 41.23. I had a $45 call sell. So this one should also not be assigned. That is quite far from that expiration strike price of $45. Boeing as well. Let's scroll back over to Boeing. And I do apologize, I do not have these in order here. 226.38. Again, Boeing would have to get above 250 in order to sell that off. The CRISPR, let's scroll back over to CRISPR. This was another contract. I had a put contract. CRISPR, CRSP. Again, I had a 114 call sell for this stock. It's at 98.88. Again, unfortunately, it traded down quite a bit here. So that will also not execute. So those are all of the trades for this week. Again, up on screen here, $4,020, week 40 of 2021. Another successful week. And overall, the goal is to get about $4,000 or so per week. That'll just be under $210,000 for the entire year. So again, some of these stocks, yes, the price will trend down a bit, but as long as we are able to repeat this process week after week, collect that premium, that $210,000 that you can potentially earn may be offset by some negative trades. But again, let's say you lose $50,000, you're still going to be up $150,000 for the year. But again, just wanted to go through all of this week's trades, options trades, week 40 of 2021, $4,020. So kind of that, I'll end the video. Again, if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, if you guys enjoy the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys have a great video idea, let me know in the comment threads down below, and I'll do my best to get out a video for you guys. And until next video, we'll see you then.